Hi.
Hi. I forgot to press the board.
His camcorder, my old one, because I'm now on my new one, which is going to take some getting used to because I'm not used to this one because it's very close. You know, it's at arm's length. It's literally at arm's length, as you can see.
Yeah, it's pitch black there.
Yeah, it is pitch black. The light you can see in his is actually infrared, the same as mine. He's probably showing the same on mine as well.
Yeah.
It's very rare we vlog in the dark, isn't it? So if you do see anything in the background, let me know. Or Lee, which he's not talking unless he's not recording.
I'm recording, that was unusual.
You record, are you?
Oh yes.
So we're recording. To see if anything is around. And I don't know if there will be any orbs around. But I think I saw one or two when I first started this at the beginning by my TV. I definitely saw one. Yes, I'm still crocheting. The throw from my sofa. Hi.
Hi. I forgot to press the board.
His camcorder, my old one, because I'm now on my new one, which is going to take some getting used to because I'm not used to this one because it's very close. You know, it's at arm's length. It's literally at arm's length, as you can see.
Yeah, it's pitch black there.
Yeah, it is pitch black. The light you can see in his is actually infrared, the same as mine. He's probably showing the same on mine as well.
Yeah.
It's very rare we vlog in the dark, isn't it? So if you do see anything in the background, let me know. Or Lee, which he's not talking unless he's not recording.
I'm recording, that was unusual.
You record, are you?
Oh yes.
So we're recording. To see if anything is around. And I don't know if there will be any orbs around. But I think I saw one or two when I first started this at the beginning by my TV. I definitely saw one. Yes, I'm still crocheting. The throw from my sofa.
There you go. Here, I've got it on me now.
So I think he's vlogging for his channel.
I have to think you're used to using the camera now because this camera's mine now, so I'm going to get used to using it.
Because you bought me one, didn't you? This one I'm using. Look at that light there.
You said you wanted a new one and you knew I wanted this one, so that's why I get you a new one.
Yeah, I've been in the bath. And he says there's something downstairs for you. I heard a knock on the door, so I was wondering who it was. I thought it was someone coming for Lee, didn't I? And there's a box on my sofa sitting right here, right there. Yes, I've got my ring off because I always take my ring off when I'm in the bath. And when I open it up, here it is, my lovely camcorder. So Lee has now got my old one.
And that's what I said, I've got to get used to using it now. Which means, now I've got my own camcorder, like I wanted, I've got no choice. I've got to do more vlogs now. I've got to do more videos. Because I promised her that if she gives us, I would.
Yeah.
Everyone that knows my channel knows I don't do many videos. Well now, I've got no choice. Now, I've got to do more.
You see guys, now that I've got my new camcorder, the reason is, well, Lee wanted my old one. We did go to get it fixed because it wouldn't go on my editing thing I've got on my laptop, which is, my laptop is literally over there. Because I have the Vegas Movie Maker 16.
Oh, it's 15?
No, 16.
You sure?
Yeah, it's the newest one.
Oh.
And his SD card, well, my old camcorder wasn't compatible. That's
Sure.
why. So I've had to download a free one.
Hang on a minute.
For Lee.
Okay guys, as I see on the train out, probably do more. This is just one in night vision because should I test out a new one, so I thought I'd do one in night vision. So remember, like, subscribe, hit the notification button, and leave a comment. Remember, if you have got something to say, don't see us at all. And remember, if you like the video, tell your friends. If you don't, keep yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.
Bye guys. Bye guys. And thanks for letting this be in your video, Lee.
No problems.
My new camcorder. And it can have the light. If it was recording. It's got its own light. As you can see, it's got its own light on the side, but you can't see that.
I'm blinded.
Unless you're up close, I still can't see you. That's the only thing I can't see.
Is my camera still on you?
Yeah. There. That's the only light. It's got its own torch, but it's not very good in the dark. I can't even see a light on it.
Right guys, everything's done. I'm going to say goodbye.
Unless it's on there. Oh no, it's not on there.
Make sure, say goodbye.
Bye guys. See you soon.